Hi, welcome to our channel CA Final Repeaters. Today we are going to learn about the nature of supply. This is as per the IGST Act. As per Section 7, intrastate supply. Section 8 is talking about, Section 7 is talking about the interstate supply. Section 8 is talking about the intrastate supply. Intrastate supply means subject to the provisions of the Section 10 supply of goods and subject to the provisions of the section 12 in case of the supply of services where location of service and place of service are in two different places two different states or two different union territories or one union territory and another state will qualify as a interstate supplies, and importation of goods till they crosses the custom frontiers as also a interstate supply, and importation of services is also considered as an interstate supply. And supply of goods and supply of services are both when location of service in India and place of service outside India, and two are by supply of goods and supply of services are both to a sedge unit or a developer by a sedge unit or a developer is included in the definition of interstate supply. And in the taxable territory where supply of goods and supply of services are both in the taxable territory, not being intra-state supply and not covered elsewhere. In case it is not covered in the elsewhere definition of the intrastate supply, then it is included in the definition of the interstate supply. What are the transactions to be covered under the interstate supplies are where subject to the provisions of section 10 in case of the supply of goods and subject to the provisions of the section 12 in case of the supply of services where location of service and place of service are in the two different states or two different union territories, or a state and a union territory is taken as interstate supply. And as per the section 7 subsection 2, importation of goods till they crosses the custom frontiers is also interstate supply. And as per the section 7 subsection 4, importation of services is also considered as interstate supplies. And section 7 subsection 5 told about a supply of goods or supply of services are both where location of service in India and place of service outside India is termed as an interstate supply. And supply of goods, supply of services are both to a sedge unit or a developer by a sedge unit or a developer is a interstate supply. And the supply of goods and supply of services are both in the taxable territory and not being covered under the definition of the intrastate supplies and not covered elsewhere will be covered in the interstate supplies. In this example, as per the previous videos, we considered that PSLCs means primary sector lending certificates is treated as supply of goods, and the nature of supply is treated as interstate, and it will be taxable under the IGST. You need to link about this so that you can able to remember properly. Okay, next section 8 of the IGST Act states about the intrastate supplies. Subject to the provisions of section 10 in the case of the supply of goods where location of service and place of service are in the same state or same union territory, that will be termed as intrastate supplies. And there is a proviso, section 8 subsection 1 proviso is saying that following shall not be included in the intrastate supplies. One is supply of goods to or supply of goods by sedge or developer is not included in the definition of intra. Why? Because it is included in the definition included in the interstate supplies. Okay. And second one, importation of goods till they crosses custom frontiers, which has already included in the interstate supplies as per the section 7. Hence, it is not included in the section 8 interstate supplies. Next, supplies made to the tourist under section 15 is also not included in the interstate supplies, and subject to the provisions of the section 12 in the case of the supply of services where location of service and place of service in the same state or union territory, and then it will be termed as intrastate supply. This is also having one provision. It is saying that supply of service to or supply of service by sedge unit shall not be intrastate supplies of service. Hence, why? Because it is included in the as per the section intrastate supplies. Hence, it is not included in the intrastate supplies. One more time we will revise it. Section 8 of the IGST Act told about the intrastate supplies, and intrastate supplies, section 8 subsection 1, subject to the provisions of section 10, which is talking about the supply of goods where location of service and place of service is the same state or union territory, then it will be termed as intrastate supply. And there is a provision is there under this: following shall not be included in the intrastate supplies. One is supply of goods to or supply of goods by said unit or developer is included in the section 8, that is interstate supplies, hence not included in the intrastate supplies. And importation of goods till they crosses custom frontiers, it is exclusively included in the section 7 as interstate supplies, hence it is not included in the definition of intrastate supplies. And supplies made to tourists is also excluded from the intrastate supplies. Next, sections 8 subsection 2, subject to the provisions of the section 12, supply of services where location of service and place of service is the same state or UT, then it is termed as intrastate supplies. And it is having the provision saying that supply of service by or supply of service to such unit shall not be termed as intrastate supplies of service. Hope this quick video helpful to you all. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.